Make $200 per day using ChatGPT. Hello, and welcome to our video on how to make money with ChatGPT by offering writing services to clients. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll show you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to offer writing services to clients and earn money online. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive into how to make money with ChatGPT by offering writing services to clients, let's briefly talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It's capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of natural language inputs, including questions, statements, and requests. Section 2. How to offer writing services with ChatGPT. Now that we've talked about what ChatGPT is, let's dive into how to use it to offer writing services to clients. The first step is to find clients who need content written. You can find these clients on freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Once you've found a client, you can use ChatGPT to quickly generate high-quality content for them. Simply input the client's requirements into ChatGPT, and it will generate a draft of the content for you. You can then edit and refine the content to ensure it meets the client's needs. Section 3. How to set your rates. When it comes to offering writing services with ChatGPT, it's important to set your rates appropriately. You want to ensure that you're charging enough to make a profit, but not so much that you price yourself out of the market. One way to do this is to research the going rates for writing services in your niche and adjust your rates accordingly. You can also consider offering different packages or tiers of services at different price points to attract clients with different budgets. Section 4. Tips for success. To be successful as a writer using ChatGPT, there are a few tips you should keep in mind. First, make sure you understand your client's requirements and goals before using ChatGPT to generate content. This will help you ensure that the content you generate is relevant and useful for the client. Second, take the time to edit and refine the content generated by ChatGPT to ensure it's high quality and error-free. Finally, communicate regularly with your clients to ensure that you're meeting their needs and expectations. Conclusion. In conclusion, using ChatGPT to offer writing services to clients is a powerful way to earn money online. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to quickly generate high-quality content for clients, set your rates appropriately, and achieve success as a freelance writer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.